Welcome back, students of class 10. So today we are going to look at the different endocrine glands found in humans. We are going to start looking at them today. The endocrine glands are different glands. They are a structure made up of specific types of tissue that are present within a certain part of the body. जब हम ये वर्ड को यूज करते हैं ग्लैंड, तब क्या कहा, उसका मतलब क्या होता है? ग्लैंड इज अ स्ट्रक्चर, एक स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रक्चर है जो एक तरह के टिश्यू से बना हुआ है एंड इट इज लोकेटेड इन वन पार्ट ऑफ द टिश्यू एंड वन पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. सो in case of endocrine glands, these glands produce the hormones. Endocrine gland का काम होता है हार्मोन बनाना and then these hormones are released in the blood. These hormones get released in the blood. Okay? These hormones by means of the blood, it flow to different parts of the body and cause changes in different other parts of the body. जो आपको पिछले वीडियो में समझाया गया था कि एंडोक्रिन ग्लैंड से जो हार्मोन्स निकलते हैं वो खून के साथ मिक्स होके बॉडी के दूसरे पार्ट में जाके अलग अलग चेंजेस करते हैं. ओके, सो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ डिफरेंट एंडोक्रिन ग्लैंड्स इन द बॉडी, राइट? वी हैव 2 or 3 major endocrine glands within the brain, and then we have 7 endocrine glands in the different parts of our body. So first thing is, the first major endocrine gland that we are going to read about is the pituitary gland. Okay, the pituitary gland is located in the ventral part of the brain, below the brain. It's a very small pea-shaped body, but it controls all the endocrine activities of the body. It controls all the endocrine activities of our body in the sense that the pituitary gland secretes or makes the hormones that stimulate other endocrine glands to make and release their product. पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड जो है वो एंडोक्रिन ग्लैंडों का सबका हेडमास्टर है, मान लीजिए. ये क्या करता है? ये बहुत सारा हार्मोन को रिलीज करते हैं और ये जो हार्मोन रिलीज करता है वो हार्मोन जाके बाकी हार्मोन्स को सिग्नल देता है कि लो अब बेटा तुम लोग काम करो. ओके, तो these endocrine glands are all the endocrine glands of our body are under the control of the pituitary gland. That is why the pituitary gland is called the master gland of the body. The pituitary gland is called the master gland of the body. Now, based on the tissue structure, जो टिश्यू है पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड के अंदर, उस हिसाब से the pituitary gland is divided into 2 parts. The anterior pituitary and the posterior pituitary. Anterior means सामने वाला, posterior means पीछे वाला. Okay? Now, the anterior pituitary produces a lot of different types of hormones. Like it produces the follicle stimulating hormone, it stimulates the growth stimulating hormone, it prepares the somatostatic releasing hormones. They release all these hormones that go to the different endocrine glands of the body through blood and then stimulate those other endocrine glands to produce other hormones. Okay, so one of the most important hormones produced by the anterior pituitary is the growth stimulating hormone. The growth stimulating hormone causes the growth in human beings. It controls the length of the human brain. Like if somebody has this hormone in very high amount, he will be extremely tall. In that case, that condition is called gigantism. अगर किसी के बॉडी में ये हार्मोन बहुत ज्यादा निकलता है, तो ग्रोथ हार्मोन अगर ज्यादा होता है तो हिज हाइट विल बी एक्सट्रीमली टॉल एंड दैट इज कॉजेज अ कंडीशन कॉल्ड जाइगैंटिज्म. और अगर बहुत कम होता है देन इट कॉजेज अ सिचुएशन कॉल्ड ड्वार्फिज्म. अगर बहुत कम होता है तो हाइट भी उसके साथ कम हो जाता है एंड इट कॉजेज अ कंडीशन जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं ड्वार्फिज्म. ओके, द एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी ऑल्सो कंट्रोल्स अदर things, like for example it controls when the sperm and ovum will be production will happen from the different reproductive organ, that is under the control of the pituitary gland. The maturation of that sperm and ovum is also under the pituitary gland. The blood sugar levels, how to maintain it, that is also under pituitary gland. So all these controls happen through the anterior pituitary gland. The posterior pituitary, जो posterior pituitary part है, that also secretes two very important hormones. One such hormone is the oxytocin, which plays a very important role in childbirth. Childbirth के दौरान oxytocin बहुत important role देता है. And another hormone is vasopressin, which controls our blood pressure on daily to daily life. Some other examples, तो ये दो structures हैं in the pituitary hormones, pituitary gland. Another small but very important endocrine gland that is located within the brain is the pineal gland. The pineal gland is a very small pea-shaped body which is located again on the ventral side of the brain, but it is located more towards the back of the pituitary. It is located behind the pituitary. Okay, the pineal gland's function is still not totally understood, but it has some light sensitive cells. इसका पूरा फंक्शन हम लोगों को अभी तक नहीं पता है, बट ये इसमें लाइट सेंस करने का क्षमता होता है. एंड परहैप्स इट ऑल्सो इट secretes a hormone called melatonin. Okay, melatonin controls our sleep patterns. मेलाटोनिन एक ऐसा हार्मोन होता है जो हमारे स्लीप का पैटर्न को, कि कब हम सोने जाते हैं, कब हमको नींद आता है, कब हम सोने जाते हैं और कब जागते हैं, ये जो बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक है, दिस इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय द हार्मोन मेलाटोनिन. मीन्स दैट द pineal gland controls our body's natural biological circle. Okay, so that happens by sensing the light. जो हम लोगों के चारों ओर जो लाइट है वो सेंस करता है ये pineal gland, and by that it secretes this hormone melatonin by which we control our sleep patterns. Okay, read these two glands very carefully, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.